The Charles J. Parker Legal Services Award is given to an individual who has a deep and abiding interest and dedication to delivery of legal services to the disadvantaged in Connecticut. The attorney must have given selflessly of themselves in advancing this goal over a period of years. This year's award is presented to attorney Shelley White, the Litigation and Advocacy Director of New Haven Legal Assistance Association. In this role, spanning more than 30 years, Shelley has been responsible for some of the most significant courtroom victories for low-income individuals in Connecticut. The committee was impressed with the extent to which attorney White epitomizes the qualities of a leader. To quote from her nomination materials, in virtually all significant litigation brought under her leadership, attorney White seeks no credit for herself. Yet she works tirelessly behind the scenes, sometimes around the clock, developing, bringing, and resolving litigation that has had a significant positive impact for Connecticut's low-income communities. Shelley is a mentor and role model to many in Connecticut and beyond. I can think of few attorneys in Connecticut as deserving of the Charles J. Parker Legal Services Award as attorney Shelley White. Shelley, on behalf of the committee, congratulations on this well-deserved honor.
Shelley has been a strong advocate for low-income people for her entire professional career. For the past 30 years, she's been the Director of Litigation and Advocacy at New Haven Legal Assistance. She would listen to the cases that came in, the individual cases, and figure out how to deal with the major issues that impacted low-income people, whether it was by appealing a case, going to federal court, or doing policy advocacy. Not only would she do these cases herself, she would mentor the staff attorneys to teach them how to do them and work with them to do this so that low-income people would have these issues resolved in the strongest, best way possible. She is the perfect recipient for the Charles Parker Award.
Shelley White epitomizes the Charles J. Parker Legal Services Award. She spent her entire career working in the public interest, the majority of which she spent at New Haven Legal Assistance as the Director of Litigation and Advocacy. She has a long list of accomplishments, including terrific appellate advocacy, wonderful class actions and successful class actions brought in state and federal court, and legislative and administrative advocacy. Just as important to Shelley, though, is her work with individual clients, representing the people who come into the office every day with often complex and life-altering legal issues. And for them, Shelley works tirelessly. She tries to do what any good lawyer tries to do. She tries to find a way to make the legal system help. Shelley's worked in legal services her entire career because she understands how important it is to have an organization like Legal Services there to provide a voice for our clients. That's exactly what Shelley does. She's their voice.